Welcome back to your Saturday Sports Special. And track and field is where we begin. Despite running a world-leading time to win the men's 100 meters, this at the J3 National Championships at the National Stadium on Friday, Kishane Thompson believes the execution fell short of what he's been working on in training. Meanwhile, Tina Clayton, in her first national senior final, was at her best in landing the women's 100-meter title. Denise Walters has the details.
Set position. Bang.
Kishane Thompson won back-to-back national titles in the fastest men's 100 meters time since 2015, setting off fireworks in an impressive 9.75 seconds to win ahead of Oblique Seville in 9.83 and Akeem Blake, who ran a personal best 10.88 seconds. But he says he's still trying to put together a better race.
Because I got faster, I'm still trying to put together a better race. Honestly, that wasn't really the best execution I have done in training or that I'm working on. But, step by step, we'll get there. We're working. Just be patient.
In assessing the race, Thompson also feels there's a particular aspect of his race that needs more work.
I had one clear thought after I came out of my dry phase, was just to maintain that speed, because I'm having a bit of problem between transitioning for some odd reason, because I'm trying to unlock a new level of speed that I have, but it's a technical thing. Sprinting speed is not just speed, it's more defined than that. It's very detailed. Person see we come out here and just feel like it's like the snap of a finger. No, it's work.
Set position. Bang out quickly.
Meanwhile, former two-time World Under-20 champion Tina Clayton delivered a lifetime best performance to win her first national title in the women's 100 meters final. Clayton stopped the clock at 10.81 seconds to lower her previous personal best of 10.93 set in the semi-finals. Sharika Jackson was second in a season's best 10.88, while Shelley Fraser-Price was a third in a season's best 10.91 seconds.
Well, it was just to stay focused, execute properly. It's my first senior finals since becoming professional athlete, and it's very testing, and you have to have the faith in God.
The other Clayton twin, Olympia and Tia, pulled up at the midway point of the race and failed to finish. But Tina is crediting her sister for pushing her.
I see how my sister performed last year, and I use that as a motivation. And I know that the sleepless nights that I stay up crying, and the times I'm at training want to give up, but there's always a mind that keep on telling me to push.
Both Clayton and Thompson will be heading to their first World Championships, which will be held in Tokyo, Japan in September. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.